Barcelona have decided on Xavi's replacement, according to reports in Spain. Xavi, 44, announced he would be quitting the club at the end of this season in January. The manager was under huge media scrutiny after failing to repeat the success of his first season in charge, which saw Barcelona win the league playing attractive football.
He left with the club 10 points off the top. Speaking on his decision, he said, "I will leave Barcelona in June. We have reached a point of no return. It's time for change." Read more on FOOTBALLTOR. Blimey, Luis Enrique's daughter moves on from Ferran Torres as she dates his teammate Daytona winner. Yellow gold Rolex or £27,500 cash alternative from just 54p with our discount. I think that it's time to leave.
I spoke with the board and the club today. I will leave on the 30th of June. I took this decision days ago. I already knew it, but it's time to make it public. I think the players could not free themselves up.
I don't want to be a problem for the club, but the opposite. A recent upturn in form has led the board to publicly attempt to convince Xavi to change his mind on his decision. Most read in football. Kyle's baby joy. Kyle Walker reveals gender of fourth baby with Annie Kilner hints at name. Special time. Kyle Walker wife Annie relishing every second with baby after tough months. So proud. Kyle Walker and wife welcome fourth baby and footballer couldn't be happier. Fever pitch flat with full view of football stadium will let you watch matches from home. Casino special. Best casino welcome offers. Xavi would only consider changing his mind if a marquee player is signed, such as Manchester City midfielder Bernardo Silva, who Barca have a long-term interest in.
But given the club's financial position, this is not a luxury they can afford. Xavi announces H is stepping down as Barcelona coach at the end of the season. According to Spanish outlet Sport, the club now want the uncertainty cleared up if Xavi is to leave and to find a replacement as soon as possible. Legendary Mexican defender Rafael Marquez is the current favorite to step into the hot seat according to the report.
He is the current manager of Barcelona B and has a good relationship with Barca sporting director Deco. Given he would be promoted from the inside, he would also represent a cheap option for a team that has struggled to balance its finances in recent years.
But, if they are to push the boat out, Deco reportedly admires the likes of Jurgen Klopp, Roberto De Zerbi and Hansi Flick. There could even be room for a dramatic reunion with former coach and now PSG manager Luis Enrique.